How to fix Quick Assist error code 1002 or an error has occurred. 1. Run the Quick Assist app with admin privilege. 2. Re-register the Quick Assist app. To do so, run get-apps package allo search for each apps package, disable development mode, register $_install location, \appx manifest.xml command as admin. 3. Change Internet Option settings, disable Do Not Save Encrypted Pages to Disk option. 4. Run sfc/dism scan as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 5. Repair/reset/reinstall Quick Assist app. 6. Use an alternative remote access software.